You trying to ride a car like Dexter? Gotta stay on. Where are you going? Some good noises. That's a horn. Is that the sound a car makes? You trying to make it go? Better practice before Cole gets in here and pushes you off that thing.